Hey guys, let's now move to the next question wherein we need to count digits of a number. So we need to take the count of the number of digits in a number. Okay. Taking as input n, which will be the number for which the digits has to be counted. Great. Print the digits in the number. So suppose if we have a number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The output should come as 5 since there are 5 digits in this number. Suppose it was 6, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So 8 should be the output. Okay. So what is the logic that we can use in this case? In every case, in every means whenever we need to count the digits of a number, we generally divide the number by 10. What does this 10 do? Suppose if my number is 94 and I divide by 10, in the first attempt it gives me 9 as my quotient and removes 4. Okay. In the next attempt, if I divide it by 10 again, it gives me 0 as my quotient and 9 as remainder. So basically both of my digits 9 and 4 are extracted. Okay. And since the number of divisions have been and the number of divisions have been 2, so the number of digits is also 2. That means the number of divisions by 10 is equal to the number of digits. Okay, we'll be utilizing this logic and thus solve it. So since we need to take an input, we are writing scanner scn equals new scanner system.in, and we need n as the input, so int n is equal to scn.next int, and we will be using a digit count. So digits equals 0 because in the starting there are no digits, we assume it. And now here we'll be using while loop to do this problem, and this will be n not equals 0. You'll be saying, why am I using while loop where my favorite is the for loop? While loop, we use while loop when there are conditions to check, as if this condition should be true. So whenever this condition is true, I need to perform these below steps. So this while loop will get executed only till this condition holds true, and if this condition becomes false, when and if this condition becomes false, this statement won't get executed and my loop will break, will be terminated. So I'm using this while n not equals 0 to check if, because in this case when 94 by 10 was 9 and 9 by 10 was giving me the quotient as 0 and 9 and 4 were getting extracted, I have to check till 0, right? Whenever I'll get a 0, my divisions should have to stop. So that is why I'm checking if my n is becoming 0 or not. If it is not becoming 0, my division should continue, and if it becomes 0, my division should stop. So for that, n by 10, on each attempt I'm storing the value of n as n by 10. So in the first attempt, 94 by 10 gives me 9, so 9 will get stored in n. In the second attempt, 9 by 10 gives me 0 and 9 get extracted, so 0 would be stored and then this will be terminated. Okay, and since in each attempt I'm getting one digit, so digits becomes digit plus plus. Okay, now I'll put the system.out.println and print the counts of the digits. So I'll be printing digits, and here I'll be commenting this. This should be slash. Now let me run and check. Cannot find symbol digits equal to 0. This should be int digits. Yes, I'm getting an output as 8 because the sample input was something of 8 digits. Now I'm giving an input as, say, this should be 6 as the output, and let me run and check if 6 is coming. Output is 6. Let me check it for another number, 8769, and let me run it. The output should be 4. Yes, it indeed is 4. So we have succeeded. Let me submit it and see if all test cases are passed. Yes, I get 10 out of 10. That signifies all my test cases have been passed. So we have understood how to count digits in a number. Thank you.